So sorry, we have just a little modification here. So we have to write like this. We have to add hash and then OTP which we are sending. And this is a thing because we are sending the OTP from the backend. Okay. Uh, so here we have our hash code, and then third thing is scan through our application. Okay. So it's a simple like here the start OTP listener function. It's scanning the OTP. Okay. And it's extracting the message. Okay. And after the extracting, it's setting inside the set OTP variable with the help of set OTP function. It's simple. Okay. And there is some little code which I am showing the OTP with the help of boxes like um, as you shown in the video how the boxes are accepting the OTP automatically, and it's a start calling next function like verify. Whenever the OTP length equals to 4, the verify OTP will call automatically. It's a simple kind architecture. Whenever the OTP we get through the backend through SMS services, okay, it will start verify. And if any case any kind of functionality broken or any kind of integration is issue or any kind of doubt for how we can send a OTP to the front end, and how which kind of services we should use for the SMS service provider, so you can comment the query, and please subscribe for next video. Thank you. Okay, so here is the code. The video you have seen, which taking OTP and automatic fill OTP in the boxes. So the library you have used is the React Native OTP Verify. You can download this library from the npm packages. So just you can download library with npm or with other package manager also, and it supports in Android and iPhone as iOS as well, because it like currently I am using in Xbox, so it's working fine. And here is a functions of that library: start OTP listener, remove, and get hash. Okay, so the get hash function give a hash to us. The main functionality of hash is authenticity of our SMS. Like see, if we are getting SMS from the services, SMS services, so how will able to our app scan the SMS? So it's can scan SMS with the help of hash. So just we have to call get hash function. Like here inside the use effect we are calling the get hash function, and then we getting a hash. You can console hash. Okay. And I am writing some flow or instructions. Okay, so these are the simple things. First we have to generate hash with get hash function. Okay, get hash function. Okay. And second, sorry. Okay. And second we have to put that function with put that hash in the in the message format template, like we have to start like this, and this here, and we have to put our hash message, just hash code, and then our OTP.